In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted time entries in Hubstaff. Now, it's important to note right at the start that unfortunately, Hubstaff does not provide a way to directly restore deleted time entries. Once a time entry is deleted, all associated data, including screenshots, activity levels, app and URL tracking data, and the time record itself is permanently removed from Hubstaff servers. This means that there is no way to automatically bring back a deleted time entry. However, don't worry, there is a way to manually recreate the lost data, provided that your organization permits manual time edits. First, you'll want to sign into your Hubstaff account. You can do this via the Hubstaff website or through the available Hubstaff apps. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the dashboard where all your project and time details are stored. Next, navigate to the timesheets section. Here, you'll see an option to view and edit your time entries. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed view of your weekly or daily timesheets depending on how you have set your view preferences. In the View and Edit section, you'll notice an Add Time button. This is your tool for manually entering the time that was accidentally deleted. Click on it to start the process. At this point, it's essential to ensure that you're selecting the correct project and task, if applicable. A precise and detailed entry will help in maintaining the accuracy of your timesheets and reports. You'll then need to input the start and end times for your time entry. This should reflect as accurately as possible the time that was originally tracked before it was deleted. Alongside these entries, Hubstaff allows you to provide a reason for the manual time entry. It's a good practice to add a brief explanation here, as it provides context and transparency, which can be beneficial if your time entries are ever reviewed. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review your inputs to make sure they're all correct. After you're satisfied with the details, go ahead and click Save. This action will officially add the new manual time entry to your records. By following these steps, you can successfully recreate a deleted time entry, helping to ensure your time tracking records remain complete and as accurate as possible. Remember, while it's always best to try to avoid accidental deletions, having this backup process provides a reliable way to manage any mishaps. And with that, we've reached the end of this process. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out for more detailed support. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful Hubstaff tips and tricks.